think I can say, speaking for everyone here, that we are totally committed to making the right choice, even if the unpopular one.
Even if other people don't understand, it costs us. Buy each other's backs. Because that's what we're doing.
Well, I'm glad you guys are willing
You gonna
to
get
hold
me?
yourself accountable.
You gonna get me?
Looks like you've gotten something from this time.
Go play with your toys, you big brutes.
I'll go check on Mr. Rosenberg.
Go play with your toys, you big
If
brutes.
not back by the end of the period, you guys are free to go.
Look at this one. Look at this.
You guys enough. Two things, Darcy. You might not like what I have to say next.
That's a good girl. Hi. I think she switched toys over there.
Somebody wanted to kill you? Who would do such a thing?
That's what I keep asking.
This must be causing you a lot of stress. It's the last thing your body needs when it's trying to recover. Ooh, let's do some cleansing breaths.
You know what? I'm feeling kind of tired right now.
Okay.
Babies, babies. Come here, come on.
What is that?
It's
Come on, Dad.
It'll help you
There you
relax
go.
and promote the
Hi.
well-being.
Good girl. Good girl. Hi, bud. Come over here. Let's play with this stuff. Let's play with this stuff. What is that? What was that?
Christmas pizza, Boston pizza, this is an ad for a pizza. Cranberry sauce, gravy on top, turkey as well, and also cheese. Why is there cheese? 'Cause we love cheese, turkey and cheese for the cheese. Come try our Christmas pizza, this commercial's for Boston pizza. It's a turkey dinner on a pizza, pizza underneath the turkey dinner. Christmas pizza, free Toblerone with the pizza. Get it today, Boston pizza, gather round.
This is what independence looks like. It's about living life on your terms with TELUS Living Well Companion, your 24/7 personal medical alert service. Designed to give you and your
You're
loved
really
ones
wild,
greater
man.
peace of mind at home or on the go. Starting from just $25 a month with no contract or hidden fees. Keep living life to the fullest with TELUS Living Well Companion. Call 310-9355 today. The Port Authority is mandated to protect the environment, and one of our responsibilities is to look for and protect endangered species on port lands. So when our research revealed little brown bats were here, we worked with port tenants to limit certain activities in their vicinity, and we called BC's biggest bat fan.
I'm happy to make bat boxes. I've been passionate about bat conservation since I was a child.
Now the bats can feel right at home.
Weekend Warriors, meet your match. With a sport hood, a custom grill, and 20-inch black aluminum wheels, the 2019 Ram 1500 Warlock cleans up real nice. Right now, get 25% off MSRP with up to $17,650 in total discounts.
Check out this giant ticket I got. Triple millions. Prizes up to $3 million.
Big boy. Come here, big boy.
New Triple Millions.
Somebody's supervising us.
Oh, those are only good for small drip coffees.
Hey, big boy. Come over here and play with all your friends.
Sure.
On
Where we can
Tuesdays
see
and
you.
Thursdays.
Rewards program should feel rewarding. That's why when you buy 7 hot McCafe beverages, you get any 8 medium free.
Hi. Kisses for your fans. Kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. You got fans too, pal. Yes, you do. Oh, yes.
Too much? A little much?
I don't think it's a good idea for me to mix this medication I'm already taking.
Oh, it's totally holistic. All natural ingredients. Here. Good things. Just swallow it and you'll start to feel more relaxed.
What are you doing here?
Kendra was just checking in on me.
I think the doctors were pretty clear. Alexis needs rest.
No worries. I was just on my way out. Get better soon, Alexis. Thank you. I can't wait to get back to work.
You okay?
I didn't swallow it.
Swallow what?
Kendra gave me something to relax.
I'm glad you didn't take it.
Now, your suspicion is contagious. Although it doesn't make her guilty quite yet. Will you do me a favor? Can you take this down to the lab and get it analyzed? That way we'll see if you're right.
I'm sorry we pressured Deb into telling a secret. Obviously, it was better when Frida and I didn't know, but now we do. Putting this together, no turning back.
Yeah, technically we're accomplices, so if Deb goes down, we all do. And we have to make sure he doesn't get caught.
We need to make sure that we have each other's backs.
Rapid, why don't you come play with us?
To trust each other not to tell another living soul.
Let's see if we can get you over here.
No matter what.
Whoa. There we go, buddy. We're playing right now.
I swear.
I swear.
I'm gonna go grab our order. Stay right here. Yes, Mom.
I'm just gonna be 2 feet away. I want to make sure you're safe.
I promise. I'm perfectly safe. You are a Spencer girl after all. I keep looking at pictures.
Of course. Don't delete anything. Order for Lulu?
I could use a secret bodyguard. There are a lot of bad people out there. Papa says so.
Fuzzy. Well, I promise to get rid of all of the bad people, Charlotte. Every last one of them.
Did you just pee there? Oh boy.